महादेवं गौरीपुत्रं विनायकं भक्तावासं स्मरे नित्यम् आयुः कामार्थसिद्धये प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थं लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजेन्द्रं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम् नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननं द्वादशैतानि नामानि प्रसन्ध्यं यः पठेन्नरः न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरं प्रभो.
Parashurama is a great devotee to the Lord
Shiva.
Kaikeyi was influenced by
Mandara.
Other name of Parashurama is
Bhargavarama.
How did Dasharatha get curse from Shravana Kumara's parents?
One day when Shravana Kumar went to get water for their mother, by mistakenly he thought that elephant it was, and he shouted Shravana Kumar. Then he heard some like that sound, and then he came running, and then he took the bana and said, "What shall I do for you? Please forgive me." And he told, "Please take water for my mother and give them. They are so thirsty." And then he goes and gives. And then their parents say, "Where is Shravana Kumar?" Then Dasharatha says, "I by mistakenly shorted your son." And then they say, you made our son die, no? So one day you will also can't see your son for so many years, and then you will die.
So can you differentiate between Apaurushaya and Paurushaya?
Apaurushaya only comes Vedas, nothing else comes, only Vedas. Yajurveda, Rigveda.
Why Vedas are Apaurushaya?
Because they are not written by anybody, and Paurushaya comes under Upavedas and Vedangas, and there are so many other things.
How many Upavedas do we have?
4 Upavedas.
4. Can you name them?
Ayurveda, Dhanurveda, Gandharva Veda, Arthashastra.
So how many Vedangas do we have?
6.
6. Can you name any 3?
Chandas, Vyakarana, Nirukta.
Can you explain Ayurveda in your own words?
Ayurveda is lifestyle. It teaches us dinacharya. It helps us get without diseases.
Arthashastra tells us about
how should we live in a society, how should a leader be, and how should we be with our neighbors.
Dash is the dictionary of the words in Vedas.
Nirukta.
Vyakarana was compiled by
Panini.
Jyotisha was compiled by
Aryabhata.
One of. But it was started by Bhrigu Maharshi. Okay. Aryabhatta also did it. Some work in that. Okay, yes. Sun enters into the Dash Rasi during Sankranti.
Makara Rashi.
So the study of stars is called
Jyotisha.
So the sun travels towards the north is called
Uttarayana.
How many Rutus do we have?
6 Ritus.
Can you name any 2?
Vasanta Ritu, Grishma.
Yes. Can you name any 2 nakshatras?
Swati, Rohini.
The size of moon decreases in Shukla Paksha or Krishna Paksha?
Krishna Paksha.
Okay. The group of stars is called?
Group of nakshatras is called Rashi.
Okay. Ugadi comes in the month of?
Chaitra.
Can you name any 5 Rashis?
Dhanu, Makara, Tula, Vrishchika, Kumbha.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Geeta Jayanti.
Geeta Jayanti. Okay. Can you explain about it?
Geeta Jayanti is celebrated on Margashira Masa Ekadashi Shukla Paksha. This is the day when Krishna told to Arjuna the Bhagavad Gita in Kurukshetra. Then on that day we will chant Bhagavad Gita and we'll also discuss Bhagavad Gita.
Through Bhagavad Gita, what did he tell us? In short.
He told how to follow dharma. In Bhagavad Gita, he told about yoga, meditation.
So how many adhyayas does it have? Do you know that?
Adhyaya. It's 18 chapters, 700 shlokas.
Please introduce yourself in Sanskrit.
Mama nama Vihana. Aham Hyderabad Nagare Nivasami. Mama Ambayaha nama Srimati Swati. Mama Janakasya nama Sriman Raghuhu.
Can you recite all this for us?
Yeah. A, I, I, U, U, Ru, L, A, I, O, Au, Aha.
Can you recite shlokas from Bhagavad Gita?
Sri Bhagavanu Vacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhihi Jnana Yoga Vyavastitihi Danam Damascha Yajnascha Swadhyayastapajamam Ahimsa Satyam Akrodaha Tyaga Shantirapaishunam Daya Bhuteshvaloluptvam Mardavam Hrirachapalam Tejah Kshama Dhritis Saucham Adroho Natimanita Bhavanti Stampadam Daivim Abhijatasya Bharata.
Having control over senses is called Shanti or Damam.
Tamam.
Wow!